Give me your secrets, bring me a sign, give me a reason to walk the fire.
You gotta be careful, you never know who's around. Look over your shoulder, I'm right behind you.
I see you watching, two steps behind me, stalking. Lock me, trying to stop me from my monopoly. Wait, stop and see what I do next.
Hey Steve, what's up? I can see you getting better. Hey, not much, Mia. I'm sort of getting better, hey. What are you doing today? Well, I just got a new board, and I'm trying it out. Cool. What brand is it? I really like the best brand. Birdhouse. Why are we running around here then? Let's go. Let's go where? For a skate, silly. You go first, and I'll follow. This is so high up. Just go, you sook. I have never skated on a ball so deep. But, you know... Hey, Mia. It's getting late. Let's go home. But I just got good at this.
This is Steve-O's house.
Hey Steve, it looks like you've got mail. Yeah, Mia, I wonder who it's from. Open it, I wonder who it's from. Hold your horses, Mia, I can only go so fast. Christmas is coming, you know. Yes, Mia, I know Christmas is coming, and I'm also just opened it. Look who it's from. Show me, show me, show me!
Dear Steve Bean a Bagger, you have been invited to the Potton Skate Comp on the 10th of December, sponsored by M&M's. You'll be competing against 15 other very talented skaters from around the world. If you would like to enter this, the RSVP is the 10th of November. First prize is $1 million and their very own skate team. There is also a set of wheels for you to keep for being selected. I hope to see you there because you're a very talented skater that can go places.
What's that mean? Didn't you read it? Not really. Oh my god. So, what's it mean? Well, practically, it means they want me to go in a skate comp soon. Oh, okay. You could have just said that in the first place. Well, sorry. So, Steve-O, you know this means you'll be in the comp. Yes, Mia, I know that. Don't you hate comps, Steve-O? Yeah, I do, Mia. Well, Steve-O, what are we going to do? Well, as much as I hate comps, I'm going in it. But why, Steve-O? Because it's $1 million prize and a skate team. So what? Mia, it's all I've ever wanted, is to have a skate team. Okay, well, what are you waiting for? Send it back, like, tomorrow, or even now. Yeah, I plan on it. Steve-O, when else is in the letter? Oh, as I said, there's a spare set of wheels in there. Oh, let me see! Okay, but I'll get them out. Come with me, Steve-O. Awesome, these are birdhouse wheels, and I'm going to put them on. Steve-O, now that you have new wheels, can I have Plan B ones that you never use? Okay then. Oh, thanks, Steve-O. Well, it's been a great day, Mia. Yeah, hasn't it, Steve-O? So tomorrow, I think we should start by sending back the letter and start practicing for the comp. Yeah, I think we should.